In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with JotForm. By the end, you'll have JotForm submissions flowing straight into a Monday.com board. So new responses can automatically create or update items and keep your workflow organized. First, open Monday.com and head to the board where you want submissions to land. In many setups, this might be a board called Trial Management, but you can use any board that fits your process. Take a moment to make sure the board has the columns you need for the data you expect from your form. Things like text, email, status, date, or numbers. Clear column names make the setup smoother because they'll be easier to match with your form fields. Also, confirm you have permission to manage integrations on this board. If you don't see the option later, you may need an admin or editor role. Next, look to the top of your board for the Integrate or Integrations button. Click it to open the Integration Center. This is your hub for automating how data moves into and out of the board. If the button isn't visible, try expanding your window or check that you're on the correct board view. Opening the Integration Center from inside the board ensures that the automation you create is tied to the right place. Now in the Integration Center, find and select JotForm. You'll see a list of ready-made templates, often called recipes, that describe what will happen. Common options include creating a new item when a new JotForm submission arrives, or updating an existing item when a submission is edited. Choose the template that best matches your use case. You may be prompted to connect your JotForm account. Simply follow the on-screen steps. After picking the template, you'll choose the specific JotForm form you want to use, and then map each form field to the appropriate column on your board. For example, map a full name field to a text column, email to an email column, and preferred date to a date column. Be mindful of required fields in your board. Those must be mapped to avoid errors. When everything looks right, confirm and enable the integration. To make sure it's working, submit a quick test response through your JotForm. You should see a new item appear in the board with the mapped details in place. If something doesn't look right, revisit the integration, adjust your field mappings, and test again. Clear naming in your board and form will save time, and consistent